Question answer chapter 17 class 7th. Very short answer type question. Question number 1. What forest type is found in the Himalayan mountain? Children, answer is conifers. Conifers are found in the Himalayan mountain. Means conifers type forest are found in the Himalayan mountain. Question 2. What is a food web? Answer is many food chains found in forest that are interlinked and form food web. Food web means interlinked or branched food chain. Simply you can say branched food chain is known as food web. Question 3. How can soil get affected due to deforestation? Answer is due to deforestation, the top layer of soil is eroded and hence the fertility is also decreased. Means due to deforestation, the top layer of the soil, so this is eroded by wind or water, and the top soil, so that is the fertile soil, and in this way the fertility is also decreased. Short answer type question. Question number 1. Why do we say that forests are a renewable natural resource? Answer is as forests can be renewed by planting more trees. They are invaluable wealth of a nation. Means they can be renewed by planting more trees. As the trees, they are the living things and they can be planted again, so forest can be renewed. Now the question 2. How do forests help to increase the humidity in the atmosphere? By releasing large amounts of water back to atmosphere by means of transpiration. Forests regulate the earth temperature and weather cycle. Forests help to increase the humidity because they are releasing out water vapor by the process of transpiration. And forests, they also regulate the earth temperature and weather cycle. Now the question number 3. List 3 reasons for deforestation. The increase in world's human population. So this has posed serious threat to the forest. These are being converted into residential, agricultural and industrial location. Direct causes of deforestation. These are agricultural expansion, wood extraction and infrastructure expansion. Agricultural expansion means increase in the field of agriculture. Wood extraction, wood is used for the different industries. And the infrastructure expansion means making of dams, industries, etc. Now question number 5. How can forests act as windbreaker? Answer is forests act as windbreakers and shield against strong wind. The speed of wind gets reduced and this helps in reducing blowing away of topsoil. Because the speed of the wind, so this is reduced by the forest. So this also helps in reducing blowing away of the topsoil, and in this way they also prevent soil erosion. Long answer type question. Question number 1. Explain how indiscriminate felling of trees can affect the forest biodiversity. Now answer. Forest, they are the storehouse of biodiversity. Biodiversity means variety of flora and fauna. Flora means plants, fauna means animals. Indiscriminate felling of trees will lead to the destruction of the habitat of several plant and animal species. Indiscriminate means bina soche samjhe. Felling of the trees, so this will lead to the destruction of the habitat of several plants and animal species. Question number 2. How are humus formed in a forest and how do they help in recharging groundwater? Now answer. Decomposer. Children, you know about decomposers. They are fungus and bacteria. So they feed upon dead animals and plant tissues and convert them into a dark colored substance. This dark colored substance is called humus. And these decomposers, though they are also known as saprophytes or saprotrophs. the nutrients of dead plants and animals, so these are released into the soil and they overturn the soil and makes it porous so that rainwater can easily seep into the ground, filling the spaces. So in this way, humus is formed in a forest, and this humus help in recharging groundwater. Question number 3. Give examples of two medicinal plants obtained from forest and explain their medicinal value. Answer is forest. They are home to several kinds of plants and which are used to make medicines. Plants such as neem, eucalyptus, amla, cassava. So these are used for making several Ayurvedic medicine. Now the cinchona tree provides the alkaloid quinine, and important medicines for treating malaria. And neem leaves, they are used to cure skin diseases. Question number 4. How will you spread awareness on forest conservation to rural people? Answer is use of fuel wood should be discouraged. The rural people, they should not use fuel wood for cooking. Biogas should be employed for cooking. Instead of fuel wood, they should use biogas. Social forestry program should be encouraged. Under this program, the so-called wasteland should be utilized to produce firewood, fodder and timber. And this is a boon to the rural community. Number 5. Explain how the ecosystem in a forest is maintained. Answer is forest. They are self-sustaining and self-regulatory units of nature. The interaction among organisms in the forest ecosystem. This is depicted in the form of food chain. And food chain, this involves transfer of energy through the process of eating and being eaten. Many such food chains, they are found in the forest and they are interlinked to form the food web, and hence they maintain the ecosystem.